thing I can realistically do here is push all the way down and try and shoot the Eagle 7 in the crossing. I don't think that's too unrealistic of a play, though. So let's just head over here, aiming, and fall. Yeah, that 5-second aiming time, I can definitely feel it there. It wasn't too bad before, because obviously the Tiger 2 and SU-152 that we fought were 10 feet from us, and the T-77, the SP, were also very close to us, but when we shot at that Eagle 7 there, I definitely noticed that poor level of aiming time. But a pretty good battle, 3,800 damage, no stress whatsoever. I have to say, this take does feel actually pretty good. As I've said in the past, I really like the M4Yo, which has a similar type of gun. It has this, 7-second reload, and then you have 4 shells with 310 alpha, so you can go shoot, and then you have to wait. And it's just slightly faster than a normal 310 BPM tank. So Tiger 2 has a little bit longer of a reload, and then the M4Yo gets really good armor and really good mobility and everything else as well. And this tank kind of has a similar approach. The mobility on this tank is not crazy good, it's only 32, but because the power to weight is fine, it at least stays at top speed, which means you're never going to be slow climbing up a hill or anything along those lines. By the way, this is the king of all hills, Middleburg. The Sentinelli has pretty good armor, and it has a really nasty gun. It has tungsten. That means you're literally dealing 1,200 damage clips in this tank. That is super dangerous. So we're going to obviously head up the hill here, and we're going to see what we can do. We actually have another tank that's not very fast, but has a really good power to weight, being the Action 10. So, yeah, let's see how fast we're able to climb up this hill. So far, we're chilling at 30, 28, 7. Yeah, it's definitely a fairly good power to weight ratio on this vehicle, as we can see it. Like, we're going probably about the same speed as the Action 10 up this hill, which is not bad at all. If I was in an E100 climbing up this, we'd still be climbing. So, we're going to move up here.
So, ayun. Rapid agad. So, yun. Rapid tayo. 430 ka agad. 430 pesos. Kung tayo, boss, yung 1,000 natin, nagdagan 870 pesos. Yo, what's up, boss? Yan, welcome sa episode 2 ng ating expert option kung saan ituturo natin mula sa zero knowledge hanggang sa matuto talaga kayo sa trading. Dito na tayo sa episode 2 ngayon dahil kung nakarang episode, kung naalala nyo at nakalakaya natin para sa episode na to is yung tinatawag natin ng mga indicators. So yung indicator, napaliwanag na rin natin kung para sa inyo kung anong nagagawa nun. At dito, para maging specific tayo, yung ituturo natin ng indicator is yung tinatawag natin ng RSI. Okay, so kapakita ko sa inyo kung saan yung makikita yun, kaya natin sa option natin. Saka napakaraming listahan ng indicator na pwede nyo matutunan. Pero dito muna tayo sa pinaka-basic na indicator. Dahil naalala ko nung ako, bago pa lang ako sa trading, hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng tayo ng indicator. Kasi hindi ko alam para sa check. So, sabi nung natutunan ko, nag-land niya ako dito sa RSI. So, bakit nga sa RSI indicator yung pinakaunang tuturo natin sa inyo? Dahil para sa akin talaga, hanggang ngayon sa natutunan, RSI indicator pa rin yung pinakasubok, pinaka-classic, saka madaling matutunan at effective. Okay, so kahit pupunta kayo ng Telegram natin, i-check nyo din yung mga ina-upload ko. Ang ginagamit ko pa rin talaga itong RSI indicator. Solid to. Hindi naman sinasabi na effective siya 100%. Pero most of the time kasi, yung RSI indicator talaga yung nagbibigay sa akin ng mga malaking drop. Saka kung para mo sa ibang mga indicator, sa kanya talaga ako mas kuha, napakadali yung matutunan. Pero bago nga rin pala tayo magsimula pala, gusto ko lang i-introduce yung demo balance feature. Pero pinaliwanag natin yung natin. Mas maganda rin yung holding ground para sa mga bago. So syempre, pag sinabi natin demo balance, hindi ka talaga niya magkakasa ng pera. Dahil parang play money siya, binibigyan yung option para